biggest learning is that in every adversity that you come across in life, there is an opportunity. And it is important to take advantage of that opportunity and have a mindset where you can convert every liability into an asset.
I think the most important lesson that I've learned in life is to respect every human being, whatever his position is. Deal with him with humility, respect. And that's my biggest lesson that I have learned.
I will say what my father taught me. Man ka ho to acha, na ho to zyada acha.
Never to take things for granted.
Life has taught me how to respect people, how to play, we're talking cricket, how to play hard, how to play fair. It's taught me to go for your dream. There's nothing wrong to fail too, as long as you learn from the reason why you have failed. You learn from that and then you go on, and the next time you're that little bit better. You wake up each morning with a new goal or a new dream.
The most important thing in life is to know how to take the knocks. To sort of feel so depressed one night that you don't want to wake up the next day. And yet you have to keep going, you know. People give up when they are defeated. They at times they compromise on principles when they are defeated. So if you can handle defeat, do your soul searching and then go on. These are vital lessons in life, which whatever you do, help you. In any field will help you.
I think what life has really taught me is that you do not learn anything from your successes, and you learn everything there is to learn from the mistakes you make in life.
Anger could be the undoing of most things. And I possess a lot of it. So that's what I've learned. But I've not learned the remedy.
What goes around, comes around. Very simple as that. That if I'm going to dig a hole for someone, I'm going to clap myself in there someday.
What I finally learned in life is live life. Don't fret about tomorrow. Don't brood on yesterday. And take life as it comes. And I think you'll be happy.
Yeah, well, I've understood one thing. That it's a little saying that I've lived life by. It's that life's battles don't always go to the stronger or the faster man. But sooner or later, the man who wins is the man who thinks he can.
I've learned how important it is to know yourself, to be yourself and not what others want you to be.